Morning students. In last lecture, we already discussed about electric cell. Electric cell are mainly two type. One is a primary and one is a secondary. Primary cell is not rechargeable. Use and throw only, dry cell like. Secondary cell, which are the rechargeable, able to recharge, like mobile phone. Battery in the mobile phone. Okay, you are able to recharge very easily. That is a secondary cell. But in this lecture, we discuss about the first of all battery. What is the battery? Yes, you already know the symbol of the cell is like this. One is the positive, one full line, one half line. When a lot of cells combine each other, that gives us a battery. That gives us a battery. Yes, a battery is a collection of one or more cells. Battery is a collections of one or more cell. This is also positive negative. But you only make like this. This is the symbols of the battery. When one or more cells combine each other, that gives us a battery. One or more cells connected in series, लगातार, yes, connected in series. Yes, in which chemical energy get converted into electrical energy. In battery, chemicals are there. Electrolytic cells are, actually it is a electrochemical cells are there. Electrochemical cell, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Battery like car, inverter can be recharged and reused. Yes, battery used in the car and inverter you are able to reuse. Able to recharge. When totally discharged. Yes, when totally discharged. When the battery of the inverter is totally discharged, then again recharge. You are able to again recharge it. Again recharging. Yes, these are the secondary cells or storage cell and accumulators. Discharging. When the discharging of the cell, when you use the chemical energy converted into electrical energy, that time you use the inverter. But when the recharging is there, charging of inverter is there, battery is there, the electrical energy again converted into chemical energy. Again converted into chemical energy. These types of the cells are the secondary cells, accumulators or the storage cell, able to store the charge. Yes, lead acid accumulator. One example is a lead acid accumulator. In mobile phone also the lithium ion batteries are there. Yes, lead acid accumulator make use of the two type of electrodes are there. One is a lead Pb, symbol is a Pb. One is a lead oxide, PbO2. Two electrodes, one is a lead, one is a PbO2. Electrodes are used in this chamber. Yes, see there. Two electrodes, one is a positive, one is a negative. Here you put bulb, one is a Pb, one is a PbO2. And here you take which electrolyte? H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. Used as an electrolyte. Used as an electrolyte. These cells are the secondary cells. It is used as a car battery, inverter battery, lead accumulator. Secondary cells are there. Some dry batteries also come. Some companies like Amrons are there. Exide. Yes, secondary cells is used in mobile and cameras. Dry acid batteries are used now because in wet batteries the parts of the machinery affected from the acid. So dry battery used in these days. Yes. Now next topic is electric mains. Electric mains. The gadget we use like television, geyser, etc. cannot work on the cell and battery, students. So we require the main supply 220 volt that coming from the grid, that coming from the power station. And power station using thermal power plant, hydro power plant which produce the electricity, which produce the potential difference, voltage 220 volt. And then it's sent to our houses covering a long distance. In between the two transformers are there. in the grid, step up transformer is there, which up the voltage because it required to cover the long distance, because in long distance it dissipated in the form of heat. Then when it come near the house, the transformer would do what? That is a step down transformer which decrease the voltage and send to the houses. If not decreases, our circuit damage due to high voltage. Yes, student. So electric means the energy is produced through the thermal power plant or hydropower plant. Next topic is the electric generator. Electric generator is generator which are used in power plants. In power plant, when the coil is rotating in the magnetic field, it produces the electricity. In power plant, big generators are there, which you can say that dynamo is there, which convert the kinetic hydropower plant, for example. When water from the height, potential energy is there. When coming down, converted into kinetic energy into mechanical. When strike with turbine start rotating, it converted into mechanical energy, and mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. Same in the thermal power plant. When coal burn, it convert the water into steam, and steam rotate the turbine. Yes, these are electric generator is there. We also use the small generator at home also, in wedding also, marriage also, which use the fuel, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Yes. Now our next topic is the solar cell. Electricity due to solar cell. Solar cell are the solar plates are there on which photovoltaic cells are there. Their working is to convert the light energy into electrical energy. These are the renewable source of energy. And one more electric energy is there, yes. The electrical energy due to electricity. Yes, electricity due to moving wind or water. Already told about the hydropower plant, when water from the high potential energy converted into kinetic into mechanical into electrical. Same for the wind. The kinetic energy, when air move, that is called wind. It rotate the windmill, and windmill when rotating, a mechanical energy converted, kinetic energy converted the mechanical converted into electrical energy. Yes, this is my lecture, student. In next lecture we discuss about the electric circuit. Thank you.